Hey, what's up? Finally, I got some time off to do a road trip with some of my hike friends, and now we're at Tasty's getting some breakfast, and then after which we're heading to St. Mary, where we're gonna go and see if we can find this Kwame Falls. I've never been there. My friend might have been there once, but I've seen lots of pics. And it's real nice from the pics that I've seen, and some reviews on some Instagram pages used to say that it's real secluded and fun and a nice little gem. So I'm going to check that out. At least we're gonna check that out. Oh, it's not reversing. So yeah, we're gonna check that out, and then after leaving Kwame Falls, we will then try to go to the black sand beach. It's always been a puzzle as to if there is a black sand beach in Jamaica, but since lately I've heard a lot of persons talking about this black sand beach close to Kwame Falls. So I am definitely interested in that and very excited to see how that looks or how that turns out. You know, I've seen that there are only a few attractions or a few beaches that are black sand, so I'm interested to see that. But yeah, I'm excited on going onto another road trip, and again I am taking you guys with me. Yeah, I'm excited to show you guys this. Like, I'm excited to see it myself, and I'm excited to show you and to share with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy.
Cheers to breakfast.
Cheers to breakfast. Getting ready for the hike. Yep. 4 kilometers to go. 4 kilometers to go. Huh?
4 kilometers to go. We can do that in half an hour, isn't it?
Sure. Half an hour, yeah. Yeah.
That's 2.5 hours, definitely.
Oh Lord. So yeah, I'm not feeling that unfit today, so I can keep up. Just a little bit hot, that's all. So the hike, you have to hike a good 2 miles to get to the falls. So we have 4 kilometers left to go. And I'm just always out of breath once I'm walking. So yeah. Ooh. Dangerous. Try not to slide. Still hiking. So, tips for when you're hiking to the Kwame Falls is to wear perfect shoes. Not water shoes like what I have on. So, be sure you wear your hiking shoes, walk with water and repellent, and then you're good to go. Yeah, because now I think things are itching me, But yeah, always walk with repellent. I'm gonna put some on shortly. And your bottle of water, maybe a rag that I forgot, and your hiking shoes. Those are my tips. But apart from that, it's lovely. It's not a steep hike or anything, it's just nice. I just wish I had on perfect shoes, but it's still not that bad because nothing is sticking me or anything, so that's good. And the nature is to die for. Whew. Nice. All these sea grapes. Why aren't y'all ready? Lots of sea grapes always in Portland and St. Mary, but they ain't ready yet. So on to the hike. I'll be with y'all in another 20 minutes. I'm resting. Ooh. Wow. Wow, this is nice. Ooh. This is beautiful.
Wow.
This is real beautiful.
I know, right?
Wow. Yes, this is lovely. Oh, so soothing.
A few moments later.
That moment when you get to that opening where you're just feeling all the breeze, like, oh yes, oh yes. See how, oh my god, I need to start traveling with a rag. But yeah, I don't mind sweating. Detox that body. But look at this. Nice. Love it. Wait, where did everybody go? Hello guys. Wait on me. Like, what the hell? Y'all just leaving me like that? Thought we were friends. Ah, stitches, guys, stitches. Ah. Oh, wow. This is lovely. My friend needs a pic. This is nice. I love it. I really, really love
Nice
this.
and clear, man.
Yeah. I like it a lot. There we have someone coming down. But wow. This is nice. It's real nice. Well, this is a nice log. Whew. Everybody is way ahead of me. But because I want to capture the moment, I have to be all the way behind, Snapchatting, vlogging at the I'm coming, I'm right behind y'all. Snapchatting and vlogging at the same time. Oh Lord. So stop here to take a swim. Well, not me, but look at how lovely this is. Look at how lovely this is. Okay, so after that dip in the ocean, we're now back on track. That was only like half of the hike, so on to the falls again. Alright, it's uphill now. It's uphill and I am not liking this part. So after the long hike, almost getting my eye ripped out by a plant, we are, what direction? That way? We're almost close to the falls. I can actually see a glimpse of it. And now I'm going down on that path. Let me just put this camera around my neck, for I am not Looking forward to losing this mud. Whew. So they're up there, as you can see. Before I had said that the hike was pretty simple and easy. Oh hell no, it was not. It was pretty, but easy is not the word to describe it at all. No, really, where the hell are they going? For real? Alright, just a glimpse. What I can see from here. Lots of people down there though. Lots of people down there. And let me tell you that the hike was worth it. Wow. This is amazing. Oh my god, this is like, wow. Wow guys, wow. Let me zoom in. Cause that is like the amazing guys. I love it. So we're on our way to the black sand beach, and all we're seeing are some huge crab. Lots and lots of crabs. Any alligators or crocodiles in here? Ugh. Look at that, man. So much crabs though. But it is crab season, you know. Ooh, I can see the beach. Oh, I can see the beach. So now we're at the black sand beach, and so far is this sand? Don't look black.
Looks brown to me.
So yeah, just got here. Lots of restaurant on the corner.
Oh, this is
And
my
some
first time at
tourists.
the black sand.
Yeah, man. Okay, so ooh, that is nice. Oh yes, yes, that was nice. Sand does not look that black to me, but this is what they call the black sand beach. This is where they call the black sand beach. So we're going over to that island right there. Whoops! Seriously. Anyways, we're gonna go over to that island right there, where we have more privacy of our own, and maybe I can climb up on the top and get a better view. So yeah, that's where everybody is. And this is the beach. I was sincerely thinking that the sand was going to be extremely black. You know, that's what I wanted to see, but it's not. It's just really dark and not the usual looking sand. Well, probably this is what I call it, sand, but just really dark brown sand. The beach is right here, and then the river starts right there and meets the sea somewhere down there. So yeah, this is me, and I am taking over the world. Okay, so this is the sand. Let me just take some up. This is how it looks. So It is really dark, and I think that's how the name came about, because it's not the regular white sand beach that we're accustomed to. So yeah, there we have it. Black sand beach in Jamaica, baby. Yes, after 4.08 kilometers. 4.08 kilometers going and then coming back. We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Ooh, the CC boat. We did it. Oh. I'm tired now. My feet needs to rest. The thing about eating patty. Jesus. Crumbs all over the place. Time to get dressed.